The toilet won't stop running. Listen to this. Let me show you how I fixed it. So we've got the old toilet here, and it just keeps on running after a flush. What is going on? Let's take the top off. Now, I'm no plumber at all, but I'm looking at I'm inspecting what the parts are here. And see this piece? Let me lift that up. Check that out. The ball, the little float there, is not lifting up automatically. So why not? What is going on? There's a little set screw right there. I suspect that is the culprit. Before, though, I'm going to make sure that the handle, there's no issues there. If you press the handle, that looks like it's operating well. And I don't think it's that rubber gasket down there, because that would mean water's exiting your toilet bowl, and then the water would be stopping and starting and stopping and starting. But mine is just operating continuously, like the water just won't shut off. So it's not the handle, it's not the gasket. I think it is this black float not popping up. So I'm going to take a screwdriver, just like you see here, and I'm going to adjust that float a little bit. It's a little rusty, a little old. Who knows what's going on? Maybe some corrosion is stopping it from operating correctly. But I'm going to adjust that and basically push it down a little further. Screw it in a little farther so it sticks out the bottom. The screw sticks out the bottom a little bit more. And that should provide it a little bit more of an angle. In other words, it's going to push the black float part down a little more. So when the water rises, I think, this is the theory anyway, it's going to pop up that float a little easier. Basically unjam it. Let's see if it works. Yep, that did the trick.